Do you know what type of content gets the most views on YouTube? Well, let's delve into the captivating world of YouTube, the platform that has reshaped how we consume content. It's a fact that 6 out of 10 people now prefer watching videos online rather than on TV, and it doesn't stop there. The rise of smartphones has led to a dramatic surge in mobile video consumption. It's doubling year on year. But it's not just about fun and games. YouTube isn't just for entertainment. It's a powerful tool for marketers and businesses alike. Ever wondered who the giants of this platform are? Well, let's dive in and meet the leaders of the pack. At the top, we have T-Series, an Indian music video channel with a staggering 253 million subscribers. Not far behind is Mr. Beast, known for his philanthropy and high-budget challenges, boasting 210 million subscribers. But the YouTube universe is diverse and expansive. Channels like Cocomelon and Kids Diana Show cater to our younger viewers with fun and educational content. Sony Entertainment keeps us up to date with the latest in music, movies, and more. And who could forget PewDiePie, the Swedish gamer who's become a household name? Each of these channels offers something unique, reflecting the varied interests of viewers around the globe. Their content ranges from music videos and kids shows to gaming commentaries and thrilling challenges. These channels have mastered the art of captivating their audiences, but what exactly are they posting? Stay tuned to find out more. Music videos rule the roost on YouTube, but what else draws the crowds? The answer may surprise you, as there's a wide array of content that keeps viewers clicking and coming back for more. Let's delve into the types of content that receive the most views. Aside from music videos, entertainment videos are a huge hit. These could be anything from comedy sketches to dramatic short films, and they certainly keep the audience entertained. But it's not all about music and entertainment. There's a whole world of informative content out there that's racking up the views. Product demo videos, for instance, are incredibly popular. They provide viewers with a hands-on look at a product, showing them exactly what they're getting before they make a purchase. Then there are animated explainer videos. These snappy, informative pieces of content break down complex ideas into easily digestible chunks, making learning a breeze. Testimonial videos, on the other hand, give a human face to customer reviews, building trust and credibility. How-to tutorial videos are another big draw. Who hasn't turned to YouTube to figure out how to fix a leaky faucet or bake a perfect soufflé? Unboxing videos tap into our natural curiosity. Vlogs offer a window into other people's lives, and webinars provide in-depth information on a range of topics. We can't forget about live streams and event videos, which offer an immediacy and connection that's hard to beat. And of course, quality is king. No matter the type of content, it needs to be well made to attract viewers. Each type of content has its own unique appeal, but they all share one thing in common: they keep viewers coming back for more. So what can we learn from the most viewed YouTube content? In a world where 6 out of 10 people prefer online videos over television, YouTube has proven to be a dominant force. From music videos to entertainment content, it has a diverse range of successful channels that cater to various tastes. Channels like T-Series, Mr. Beast, and Cocomelon have amassed millions of subscribers, demonstrating the global reach of this platform. Moreover, the types of content that garner the most views are as varied as the viewers themselves. Product demos, animated explainer videos, testimonial videos, how-to tutorials, unboxing videos, vlogs, webinars, live streams, and event videos all have their unique appeal. Yet they all share one common thread: quality. Above all, it's the quality of content that keeps viewers coming back for more. So, whether you're a marketer looking to tap into this growing platform or a budding YouTuber hoping to make your mark, remember this: understanding the types of content that resonate with viewers can be the key